Epic Originals presents Cat Ninja, Book 46, Inside Adonis. Written by Matthew Cody, illustrated by Chad Thomas, colors by Nick Filardi, performed by Taylor Meskimen and Tom Rivera. Cat Ninja, Book 46, Inside Adonis. Previously in the Cat Ninjaverse. With all 3 keys in, paw, our heroes returned home, ready to restore Adonis to his former self. But Von Malice arrived with a different plan. Download the villainous virus and let Adonis's inner bad dog off its leash. Once the villainous virus finishes downloading, Adonis will be mine again. No more petting, no more leaking, just crime 24/7.
Villainous download, 10%.
Maybe we'll start by eliminating the competition. Perhaps the Goldfather? What do you say, Adonis? Care for some seafood? In the meantime, finish the do-gooders, Chihuahua.
Look out!
You're beaten at last, Cat Ninja. Surrender before Chihuahua makes a snack of you.
Villainous download, 50%.
Adonis? I don't know what's going on in there. I can't help you if you don't help yourself. Adonis?
Hello? What is this place? Friends? Fleabot? Cat Ninja? I do not smell my friends anywhere. All I smell is me. Correction. All you smell is us.
Gotta be faster, pussycat. Power up destruction mode.
Oh, darn. Supposition. I am me, so you cannot also be me. Query. Who are you? Listen to yourself. Supposition this and query that. You know, I prefer the old you who drank out of the toilet bowl. At least he didn't sound like a talking calculator. Certain behaviors and speech patterns were temporarily lost when I rebooted. Can it? None of that matters now that I'm in charge. You worked hard to unlock all your old memories, Adonis. But I'm rewriting your command code even as we speak. We'll start by disconnecting any annoying auxiliary pals. Starting with this one. No, don't. The only friend you'll ever need is me.
Connection lost. Sleep mode engaged.
Heal! Sit! Relax! basically just copying my coffee mug move. That was my coffee, so I get the win.
Chihuahua served her purpose. She kept you busy long enough for the villainous virus inside Adonis to take root. It will devour every good thought and feeling in his robot brain until there's nothing left but bad.
Adonis? Villainous download, 100%. Adonis is a very bad dog.
To be concluded.